For the ASMR ba? For the trend ng mga person, tara let's go foodies, let's do boars and cheese. Budget-friendly edition!
We're putting in yung 1/4, ayun, yung line doon. And then, yung ating cream cheese would be 2:1. So, half nun. Twice ng butter natin. So, we're doing half of our cream cheese. We're adding in basil, parsley leaves, konting pepper, then nilagyan ko siya ng onion chives na fresh. And then, i-mix lang natin. Dapat room temp yung cream cheese at yung butter. Ganito yung magiging itsura niya kapag well incorporated niya. So, ilalagay lang natin siya sa cling wrap and refrigerate. So, ilagay lang natin sa cling wrap. And then, from there, ibabalot lang natin siya and i-refrigerate.
Tada! This is our finished product with vegetable sticks and crackers.
Cucumber. Rapita. This one is cheese. Other brand. And this one is sour cream.
I hope nag-enjoy kayo and nagutom!